Users need to download the Shine Phone app for network configuration. Open the app, create a power plant. Click the plant you built before. Add device. Select NEXA 2000 balcony solar storage. Turn on your device. Make sure the IoT icon lights up. Choose your device. Choose Wi-Fi. Choose a plant. The network distribution is completed, and you can see that the IoT indicator light is always on. Then you can set the required working mode at different time periods as needed. Load first mode. Solar powers loads first. You can set system output power here. Excess energy charges the battery. If solar is insufficient, battery supports loads. Battery first mode. Solar charges battery until full. Excess solar then powers loads. Smart self-consumption mode. Requires wireless meter. Auto adjusts output based on home energy use. Import and export from grid.